Hi, first grade. Good morning. I hope everybody had a terrific weekend, and hopefully, we can catch up a little bit about our weekends at our 10 a.m. class today. So, today, that since it was just the weekend, today is Monday, September 21st, 2020. It is the 14th day of school. So, I've updated our coins to reflect that. So, we have our dime and 4 pennies. And I also updated our Rec and Rec. As you can see, we have showing the 10 way or counting the 10 way 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, and today would be 10-4. That's right. And what is the number when we say 10-4? What is the number that we're used to saying that stands for 10-4? 14. That is right. Excellent. Today is day 2, so you have library for your special at 11:45. And let's go ahead before we get into the schedule for today. Let's go ahead and if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I think we updated everything there, so we'll go ahead and do that now. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. All right, excellent. For our schedule today, this morning at 10 a.m., let me back up. This morning at 9, coming out through your Seesaw Activities light bulb. Wit and wisdom related activities. One is on nouns, and actually you'll get a chance to hear from Miss Taylor, the other virtual first grade teacher this year. She'll present a video lesson on nouns, and then there will be a response in your Wit and Wisdom workbook that you can complete and take a picture of and send. And then you'll also have a reading lesson more focused on the story Tomas. As I said, we're finishing up Tomas this week, and it will be a video lesson with me and then a short response also in your workbook after watching the video lesson. So that will be this morning. First thing will come out. And then at 10 a.m., we are going to try to take the last and final beginning of the year assessments that the Primary Center gives, which would be the reading portion of the NWEA. Just a note on that, I know how frustrating it can be when the technology isn't working. Believe me, I completely understand. And, I apologize for any of the, inconvenience of trying to figure out how to make it work. These are just the beginning of the year benchmark assessments that we give, in person, and now, trying to give them virtually, which is something that we hadn't done before. So, figuring out some of those glitches, I really want to thank you for your patience and again, apologize for, like I said, some of the glitches that we have had with that. So we'll give it a try. And again, just, we'll try our best to work through those. And that will be the last of the beginning of the year assessments. So, all of that data will be kind of compiled, and then that helps to give us a better picture of how we can best support each student in all of the classes, virtually and in person. So just wanted to apologize and thank you again for your patience with that. Then this afternoon we'll have our 1 p.m. class, but we're going to switch again like we did on Friday, where we will have word building this afternoon instead of our math, but we'll pick back up with math tomorrow. So for word building this afternoon, that will be at 1. If you could please get these letters ready. It's HATOCN. And then just bring a blank dictation, word building dictation paper with you at 1, and we'll go ahead and do our word building then. And then starting tomorrow, we will be back on our normal schedule, and we'll be wrapped up with the assessments. And another quick note on the NWEA, if there's anyone that if we needed to update or do something and your iPad wasn't working, we can kind of touch base separately to figure that out. Okay, and we can do that tomorrow and today and tomorrow and the beginning of this week. So, all right, that is the plan. So then you'll have the word building dictation paper and a decodable to send after our live class, but that will be for today. And let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing many of you soon. All right, thanks.